Assalamualaikum. Hi, welcome back once again. This is me, Avais Ashna, and welcome to my YouTube channel English with Avais Ashna. Today I'm going to tell you how to differentiate between abstract and concrete noun, because students get confused how to differentiate between both types of noun, which is abstract and concrete noun. So let's start the video. Before starting the video, if you are still not a subscriber, so please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get all the videos. So let's start the video. Abstract noun. Abstract noun and concrete noun. My dear students, as you know that humans have 5 basic senses, which are sense of see or vision, sense of touch, sense of smell, sense of hear, and sense of taste. These are 5 common senses, and we will differentiate between both of the types of noun, between abstract and concrete noun, on the basis of these 5 senses. And another sense which is called feel. Okay, abstract noun are those nouns which can be identified which cannot be identified by any of 5 senses. Are called abstract noun. Suppose, for example, bravery. Yes, bravery. Can you see bravery? No, definitely no. Can you touch it? No, not at all. Can you smell bravery? No. Can you hear it? Can you see? No. It means all the 5 senses are not working on bravery. So it is called abstract noun. Okay? Not taste, not hear, not smell, not touch, not see. Only feel. We can only feel the bravery. And let's take another example. Love. Yes, love. Can we taste love? I'm talking about physically. So love is sweet. Yes, love is sweet, but we cannot taste the love. Can you hear love? No, we can hear the voice of our beloved one, but we cannot hear the love. Can we smell love? No, not at all. Can we touch it? Can we see our vision? No, it is impossible. So all the 5 senses are also not working on love. So these 2 nouns are abstract nouns. Another examples like wisdom, truthfulness, helplessness, hate, bravery, and valor, courage. So a lot of examples of abstract noun. And let's discuss what is concrete noun. Concrete noun is totally opposite to abstract noun. For example, those nouns which can be identified by any of five senses. Any of five senses. I'm not talking about all the senses. Any of five. Maybe it can be identified by single sense, two, third, three, fourth, and fifth. So there should be one sense which is working on the noun. Then it will be called concrete noun. Let's have an example. Ice cream. Yes. Can we taste ice cream? Yes, definitely. It is sweet. Have you ever eat? Yes, definitely. Can we hear it? No, we can't hear it. It is impossible to hear the voice of ice cream. Can we smell it? Yes, definitely. It smells sweet. Can we touch it? Definitely, but ice cream is not thing to touch, because when you touch it will melt and sour. So can we see it? Yeah, definitely we can see the ice cream. If we are having a cone of ice cream and want to eat, definitely we can see it. So how many senses are working on ice cream? Taste, smell, touch and see. Only one is not working. So it doesn't matter. We have already learned there should be any of five. So four senses are working on this noun. So this noun is called concrete noun. Let's have another example. Father. Yes, father. Can we taste father? No, definitely it is impossible. We can't eat our father. Father is not a thing to eat. So we cannot taste, but we can taste the skin of a human. It is like soul, I think. Not soul. It is, I think, bitter. So can we hear father? Yes. When father is calling us, definitely we can hear the voice of a father. Can we smell? No, definitely we can't smell our father. Can we touch? Yes, definitely we can touch our father. Can we see? Yes. If your father is having the height of 6, 7 feet, so we can see it at any cost. So how many senses are working on this noun? Again, now there is a 3. Not taste, not smell, hear, touch and see. So 3 are working on this noun. So it is called concrete noun. So this is the process and these are the rules and regulations to identify. And one thing always remember that abstract nouns can also be felt. We can only feel the abstract noun. So these 5 senses are not working on abstract noun. So we can only feel the abstract noun. So thank you for watching my videos, and for more amazing videos, so subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the button like and share it. So thank you very much. Inshallah we will be back here very soon.